Welcome, outdoor enthusiasts, where we dive into the world of cutting-edge gadgets that elevate your camping and survival experiences. Today, we're showcasing some incredible gear that'll make your adventures safer, more comfortable, and unforgettable. First up, you see the MoKo camping string lights, a versatile 4-in-1 marvel that combines a camping light, string light, work light, and flashlight. Imagine creating a cozy ambiance in your tent or around your campsite with 32.8 feet of string lights. These rechargeable lights have a built-in 3000 mAh battery, providing up to 14 hours of illumination in string light mode. Plus, with 8 lighting modes, including an SOS function, you're prepared for any situation. Next, we have the Sharpal 6-in-1 Pocket Knife Sharpener. This compact EDC field survival tool is a game-changer for hunters, campers, and outdoor survivors. It features a coarse carbide slot for setting new edges, a fine ceramic slot for honing, a diamond rod for serrations and fish hooks, a ferro rod for fire starting, and even a high-pitched emergency whistle. Its durable abrasives pass 10,000 field uses, so it'll never wear out. Now, let's talk comfort with the Luno camping pillow. This isn't your average pillow, it's a combination of memory foam and shredded memory foam that offers unparalleled support. The dual-sided pillowcase with polyester for chilly nights and jersey knit for warmer ones adapts to your environment. Plus, you can customize the firmness by adding or removing filler. It's compact, easy to clean, and perfect for life on the road. For the tool enthusiasts, check out this heavy-duty tool roll. No more rattling tools or disorganized kits. This isn't your grandpa's tool bag. It's designed for serious off-road and adventure needs. With 3 levels of sleeves, a zippered pocket for manuals, and 2 zippered pouches, it keeps everything in place. Made with durable cordura and tarpaulin and featuring Bartak construction, it's built to withstand the toughest conditions. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a campsite fixer, or someone who values preparedness, this tool roll guarantees peace of mind and readiness for any challenge. Now, imagine getting a perfect night's sleep with the ThermaRest NeoAir. This the Tesla of camping comfort, thanks to its portable, battery-powered pump. After a long hike, instead of huffing and puffing into a pad, the NeoAir pump inflates it in just 3 minutes. Compatible with ThermaRest's wing lock and twin lock valves, it eliminates fumbling with adapters and ensures no air escapes. The pump also deflates the pad, acting like a pocket-sized air compressor, making setup and pack-up a breeze. When you're out in the wild, every tool counts, and the stakeout in graphite earns its place. At 332 ounces, it's like a fully equipped workshop in your pocket. With a Scandi grind blade that locks for safety, scissors, saw, awl, stake puller, file, tweezers, bottle opener, and ruler, it's the Swiss Army knife of camp tools. Plus, it features a ferro rod striker for fire on demand, turning oh crap moments into no-problem solutions. It's the perfect companion for every task. For those fireside moments, there's the Snow Peak Takibi Hexa Tarp. It's a versatile outdoor living room that shelters you from surprise showers and hosts cozy campfires year-round. With a detachable, flame-resistant inner roof, you can safely enjoy fireside gatherings underneath. Waterproof, UV blocking, and elegantly curved, it provides protection from all weather elements. Easy to set up with included aluminum wing poles, it packs neatly into its own carry bag for effortless transportation. From crisp autumn evenings to summer storms, this tarp is your all-season outdoor sanctuary, offering comfort and convenience wherever your adventures take you. Keeping your drinks cold? That's where the Oyster Tempo Cooler Bundle comes in. This isn't your average ice chest. It's a high-performance cooler that cools down faster and stays colder longer, thanks to its thin-wall TM design. Lightweight and spacious, it's like a portable fridge without the hassle. The bundle includes straps, handles, optimized ice packs, and a canvas tote for dry goods, providing convenience and comfort for any adventure. Whether you're hiking, picnicking, fishing, or stargazing, this cooler ensures your drinks stay frosty and your food stays fresh. For the survivalist, there's the Mossy Oak Survival Hunting Knife, a 15-inch blade built for serious readiness. With a 10-inch stainless steel clip-point blade and a sawback, it's a powerhouse of cutting capability. The high-friction, non-slip rubber handle ensures a secure grip in any conditions. Mossy Oak includes a sharpener and fire starter, recognizing the importance of preparedness in survival situations. It's purpose-built for hunters and survivalists who demand the best. More than just a tool, it's your outdoor insurance policy ensuring you come back with stories, not scars. When it's time to cook, the Gas 1 GS 8300 Spider Stove is your go-to. At 8,000 BTU, it packs the power of a large stove in a package the size of a water bottle. It's ideal for backpackers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. With a durable brass burner and easy clean enamel coating, it's built to withstand rugged outdoor conditions. The stove's folding design maximizes space efficiency while supporting pots and pans during cooking. It's perfect for backpacking or backyard cookouts. Keep your devices powered with the Elom Nest Out rugged power bank. This IF Design Gold Award winner mimics a vintage fuel bottle, signaling the shift to clean energy. It's designed to keep your gadgets juiced when you're far from an outlet. With USB-C PD fast charging and smart detection, it charges your devices quickly and efficiently. But what sets it apart is its ruggedness. It's waterproof and also shockproof. It can withstand even the toughest outdoor conditions. It's your off-grid lifeline for staying connected, capturing memories and ensuring safety on any adventure. Leave the percolator behind and craft rich pour-overs trailside with the Field Coffee Master. Inspired by specialty Japanese cafes, its premium build packs efficiently, yet create incredible modular brewing versatility for 1 or 2 people. Insert the glass carafe into the stainless kettle with the dripper atop. Boil water to steep grounds to preferred strength. Or remove the pieces to drizzle artisanal patterns over waiting mugs. However you enjoy it, savor perfectly extracted flavor everywhere under the sun, thanks to a global infatuation realized in durable, packable form. That's the Field Coffee Master's promise. Stop struggling with gravity-fed trickles in camp. Nemo's freestanding helio-portable shower unleashes satisfying spray at the push of a foot pump. With just a push of a foot pump, you can unleash a satisfying spray that ranges from a gentle mist to a powerful jet stream. The shower's low-profile reflective silver reservoir stands sturdy on the ground and holds ample water, while an adjustable nozzle lets you control the water flow. Large valves enable fast drainage after rinsing, so you can pack up and move on quickly. You can keep the whole family feeling fresh every step of the journey with pressurized, clean water wherever the path leads you. Remember, in the wild, your gear isn't just equipment. It's your companion, your problem solver, your lifesaver. And with outdoor artistry by your side, you're never unprepared. So subscribe now and let's make every adventure smarter, safer, and more spectacular. Until our next adventure, stay smart, stay wild.